Hello world, welcome back to my channel. I am Sahil and we are developing a full secure authentication and post management system using Node.js, MongoDB, express.js and EJS templating engine. And in previous video you have already seen how I worked in this page, my posts page. So here I fetched all the posts related to current logged in user from database and display in a table format. Now today in this video I'm going to show you how to work on edit functionality. So we will first get the post detail from database and populate into this input field like title, content and display image preview. And when user edit and click on update, then we will update the post into database. Okay, so let's start. So this is my project inside VS Code, and here I already started npm run dev command. Okay, so first what I will do is I will open the edit post page view file. Okay, so this is edit-post.ejs file. Here you can see I have already designed this page using bootstrap 5. Okay, so first let me open routes.js file and open this post routes.js file. Okay, now here let me find edit-post route method. Okay, so this is the edit post route method route. Okay, get route method. Now here we will fetch the post using this id. Okay, so this is the id parameter, and here you can see let me show you. So if you go to my post.ejs file, then this is the edit button. Actually this is an anchor tag, and in href this is the route name, and here I am passing the post id. Okay, so we will get this post id here in post routes.js file using this parameter using request.params. Okay, so let me show you how I will get the id. So here we can just use try and catch first, and here I will display the error. Okay, so here I will just write error, and then I will also display a flash message that something went wrong, and we will redirect to the my post page. Now in try block, what I will do is I will first get the post id. So just write post id is equal to request dot params dot id. So using this we will get the post id from the route, and then I will create one more. Sorry, let me just write const post is equal to await. Here I'm using await, so here we have to write async keyword. Okay, and then using post model I will use find by id method, and I will pass the post id here. Okay, now first I will check a condition that if post is not found, then in this case we will send a flash message that post not found, and we will redirect to the my posts page. Okay, now in case of post found, then actually let me cut this from here and paste here, and here you can see I have used res.render, and this is the view file location path, and here already I'm sending title and active, so here I will send post also. Okay, so this function is now completed. Now let's go to edit-post.ejs file. Now here I will change something, like I will remove this create, and I will write update post, and then slash, and then here I will use EJS output tag, and here I will write post dot underscore id, and this will be a post method, and I will also use ink type attribute here, because from this form we are also uploading files. Okay, now in title we will use a value attribute, and here we will use EJS output tag, and here I will write post dot title, and in text area will display the content. So just use output tag, and here just write post dot content, and here I will display the image thumbnail preview. Okay, but before, let me remove this required attribute from input type of file, because I will make this optional. User can update or not update image. Okay, so here I will use margin bottom, actually margin top 2. Okay, margin top 2, and here I will use img tag, and in src I will use upload slash post dot image, and in alternate text I will display the post title, and I will use a class img fluid, and I will also use one more class img thumbnail, and instead of this style I will use width is equal to 100. Okay, let me save this and go to the browser, reload, and let me log in again. Go to my posts, and now if I click on edit, then you can see we are getting all the previous values of this post, like title, content, and this is the image preview. Okay, let me go back and click on this edit button, so you can see this post detail is loading into this form along with this image preview. Okay, now let's move on to update post request. So here in form action attribute, you can see I have used a new route, and here I am sending this post ID dynamically. Okay, so let me go to post routes.js file, and here I will define a new route. Okay, so handle update a post request. Okay, and here I will use router dot post method, and then okay, so I think all is correct here, so let me accept this, and okay, so here you can see this is the name of the route, update hyphen post, and this is the parameter id where we'll get using request.params. Okay, and this is also a protected route, so just use protected route middleware, and we will also upload image from this route. That's why here we have to use upload middleware, and we will upload a single file, and which have the name attribute value image, and this will be a async method, so just use async and then request response. Now inside this, first what I will do is I will use try and catch block, and let me first display the error, so just use console error, then display the error here. We will also display flash message something went wrong, and we will redirect to my post page. Okay, now here in try block, first what I will do is I will create a const post id is equal to request dot params dot id. Okay, so using this we will get this id. Okay, and then again we will use const post is equal to await post dot find by id, and then post id. Now next, again here I will check a condition. If post not found, then we will send a flash message post not found, and we will redirect to the my posts page. Now in case post is found, then we will just use post dot title is equal to request dot body dot title, so we can access title from the request dot body. Okay, similarly we will access the content using request dot body dot content, and then I think we will also update the slug, because if any user updates the value of title, then we will create new slug based on the current title. Okay, so here we will use post slug, and then we'll get the title request dot body dot title, and I will select all the spaces from the string, and we will replace with the hyphen, and we will change the string to the lowercase. Okay, now next what I will do is I will check a condition if request has any file. Now in this case, if there is any new file in the request, then in this case first we will delete the previous image from the uploads directory, and then we will upload new image, and in case there is no new file selected, then we will keep the previous image exactly same. Okay, so now here we will use unlink method of fs module, and here I will use path dot join. Then in join I will use process dot cwd current working directory, and then here I will use uploads, the name of the directory, and then we'll concatenate slash and concatenate, and then post dot image, the name of the previous image. Now this will return error if anything goes wrong. So here we can just use if error, then we will console log the error, and then we will use post image is equal to request dot file name. So we will get the file name and we will store into this field, image field. Okay, so I think all done here. Let me just use await post dot save, and then we will use request dot flash, and we will use success and post updated successfully message, and we will redirect to the my posts page. I think all done. Let me save this file and go to the browser for testing. Okay, so let me log in again and go to my posts. Now if I click on edit button for this post, then all the previous values like title, content and image preview is now populating into this form. So let me update the title. So Thor title updated, and content updated. So I have just added this content updated and title updated, and I will not change the image right now. So let me click on update post. So you can see post updated successfully. Let me check the title and content. So again, if I click on edit, then you can see title updated and content updated, and image is the same because we have not changed the image. Okay, now if I go to browse database and check, so let me refresh. Okay, so this is the Thor post. So this title is updated, and according to this the slug is also updated, and the content is also updated, and image I have not updated the image, so image is same. Now let me update the image this time. So let me select any other image like this Loki one and click on update post. So you can see the image is now updated, but all the other values are same. Now if I go to uploads directory and check, so still there is 3 images available, because total we have 3 posts, this is Spider-Man, Thor and this Groot. Okay, and if I selected any new image here, then the previous one is deleted and the new is uploaded into the uploads directory. So let me change back again to Thor and click on update post. So you can see the image is updated. Now in uploads directory still there is 3 files. Okay, so deleting of previous image is also working correct. So that's it for this video. In next video I will show you how to work on delete a post and view a post. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit on like button and please subscribe my channel.